So these are the SoundPEATS clear earbuds. I'm going to show you these today. I think these are the best earbuds that you can get right now for a budget set of earbuds because they look awesome and they also sound better than I would expect at the price that they are too. You see some of the specs on the back there. They're about 7 hours battery life, and I've been using these as my workout buds and they've been working out great. You can see these look stunning. I went with the white. I almost went with kind of like the bluish purple color they also have. There's also like black. So there's a lot of different variations. These ones look really awesome. So we'll get this plastic off here. You can see what these look like. There's that kind of clear shield on the front there. On the back, they got SoundPEATS there. Kind of a little bit like of a dimple pattern underneath here with the white, some more SoundPEATS branding. There's a Type-C charging port down there, so that's nice and modern. You also have on there kind of like a hard reset button for pairing and things like that. Flipping that up, this is what these look like. These are magnetic. We'll show you these stems here. Even the stems are transparent on here. And it does have an indicator for right and left on the stems of these, which is pretty cool. These just look really nice. They look really futuristic. I like kind of the mechanical look to these, having that kind of transparent throwback look that was kind of, common in the past in like the 90s. The white in here, they look really nice. That magnet works perfect with these. You can see that clear shield that comes back down over these. Presents these really nicely. Getting a little bit closer, you can kind of see what these look like. Even on the tips, there's a little bit of that blue underneath. And you do get 2 other tips as well. So you can kind of choose, that's probably the biggest thing for sound quality actually, is make sure you get the right size in there. Because if it's not fitting in your ear correctly, it's not going to sound the best. Then you're also going to get, the documentation. The controls on these, which are in here, is very easy to do. You got right and left controls for tapping. You can fast forward, reverse, audio up and down on one earbud versus the other. And then also double tapping, you can play and pause. So it's been really nice and easy using these for working out with these, listening to podcasts, listening to music, etc. So these are a really great set of earbuds. If you want to see the full review, that's popping up here. If you want to purchase these right now, the link's in the comments and the description.